Hello. Welcome to our drawing lessons channel. Today, we will be drawing
The Halloween pumpkin.
but with a surprise. For this, you will need a sketchbook, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers. First, we need to fold the sheet in half. Make sure to divide it equally in half. Hold it like this with your finger and fold it. Let me help you. Now we need to repeat this, but with half of our sheet. Just follow along with me. Now, take your pencil and draw a large circle for our pumpkin. Draw it like this. Now we need to add the characteristic features of our pumpkin. And on top, we'll add the pumpkin stem. Now, we'll shape it correctly. Now, we'll draw the mouth.
Like this and like this.
Yes, well done. Now, let's draw the teeth. Draw 2 lower teeth. We also need to draw the eyes. And now, let's do a trick. Let's connect the 2 parts of the pumpkin. And we'll have a pumpkin with a big open mouth. What should we draw inside the pumpkin?
A bag of candies and bats.
Let's draw the bag and add various candies and sweets. Draw different candies in different shapes to make it more interesting. Now, let's draw the palate of the pumpkin. Now, let's draw the bats. They will appear to be flying out of the pumpkin's mouth. First, draw the body of the bat. Then, draw the wings. And draw the ears. Now, let's draw a few more bats of different sizes. And one more here. Now, let's put the pencil aside and take a black marker to trace our drawing. Now, we'll put the marker away. Take an eraser to remove the extra lines.
Mom, I'm done.
Then put the eraser aside and take colored markers to color our drawing.
Thank you, Mom. I'll start by coloring the candies.
Now, let's show how our surprise drawing works. Here, we have an ordinary pumpkin, and then it goes like this. Come here. I'll eat you.
Now I'll eat you.